So now getting into other date functions, suppose someone is asking you the date, what is today's date? You can use a function called today, equal to today, then tab key and enter. So this is your today's date. And suppose you require the date along with the time. Normally in circulars, we normally mention the date and the time in the circular. Suppose you require in such format, you can go for one more function called now, N-O-W now, and tab key and enter. So in this case, you have to find that time should come, right? So here, the value is there, but we have to change the format over here. So come to number tab, then click this down arrow key, come to the format cells dialog box, come to custom, in the category box, come to custom, right? And here you can do the format DD, YY, HH, So click here and OK. So you find that 22/4/2002 and the time is 11:12 AM, right? So this can be done with the help of format cell dialog box. So two functions we have seen, today and now function. And suppose I require the year to be done. Suppose directly instead of, these are the random dates which is given to you, and suppose I require this dates to be listed out here. Instead of typing randomly 2020, 2016, 2013, you can use a function called year function. So normally this function returns an integer in the range from 1900 to 4 nines, right? 1900 to 4 nines, right? So this is the integer value which it returns. So you can use the year function. I select the entire cell from G20 to G26, then plus equal to and type year function. It returns the year of a date, an integer in the range that is 1900 to 4 nines, right? So tab key and select the date and close the bracket, then control enter. So you find that you will be getting this year. Instead of typing the year, you can use the function called year. In similar way, we can work with another function called month function. Month functions. So month function acts same as your week days function, where we have the integer return integer value which is returned as a result from the weekday from 1 to 7. Similar way, it returns the value from 1 to 12. 1 is for January and 12 is for December. So here we have, instead of typing the 12, 4, 5, 3, 6, 8 and 7, you can use the month function. So I'll be selecting the cell from H20 to H26 equal to, I will be putting the month function. So it gives you, returns the month, a number from 1 to 12th December. 1 is January and 12 is December. So equal tab key, then select the date, close the bracket and control enter. So you find that it gives the value from 12, 4, 5, 6. Instead of typing individually, you can use the month function. Then one more function, we have the day function. So instead of typing the days, day of the date, okay, dates day 2, 3, 13, 23, 22. Instead of doing that, you can use one more function called the day function. So I'm selecting this entire cell, equal to apply the function called day. It returns the day of the month, a number, right? It returns the number, a number from 1 to 31. So tab key, select the date, close the bracket and enter. So you find that it will be returning you the day 13. But what is happened to the first cell? In this case, there is a format is not proper. So we can change this with the help of the format cell dialog box. So come to number tab, click the down arrow key. You have the format cell dialog box. Come to customs, in the category box, come to customs, right? Then select the format, that is general. So you find the value of 2, then click OK. Then you find the value which is nothing but for 2, right? So everything is in the hands of the format cell dialog. So start working along with the format cell dialog box, which becomes easy for you to work on that, right?